In 11.4 exercise, we have to find out, answer the following questions. Take Sarita's present age to be y years. I am taking Sarita age will be as y years here. Agar if I am Sarita and my age is right now y years, so what will be her age 5 years from now? Say 5 years. What will be the age? What you are going to do here? What will be her age 5 years from now? Tell me. Right now your age is y years. 5 साल बाद, after 5 years, what will be your age? So what you are going to do? Suppose right now you are 10 years age. Your age is 10 years. Right now you are 10 years old. After 5 years, what will be your age? 15, right? 15 will be your. So what you have done? You have added na. So right now my age is y years. I'm after 5 years my age will be plus 5. So y plus 5 will be the answer. Tanish, y plus 5 and 5y is totally different. Okay, y plus 5 means I have added 5 years to my age, and 5y means we are multiplying 10y. मतलब अभी मेरी अगर age 10 years है, I am multiplying it by 5 years. 5, that is multiplication. When there is a constant and a variable and there is no sign, that means there is a multiplication sign. But right now I am adding. Right now I am 10 years old and after 5 years I will be 15 years old. So what will be the answer? Y plus 5 years. Got it? What will be our age 3 years back? If my present age is y years, what will be the age 3 years back? 3 साल पहले क्या age हो जाएगी? Right, Rehan? Y minus 3. हाँ, y minus 3, 3 years back आप पीछे जाओगे. So y minus 3 will be your age. That's correct. Chehek, Tanish. That's correct. Now, Sarita's grandfather is. Sarita के दादाजी is 6 times her age. जो सरिता की एज है उससे 6 times, they are 6 times bigger than that. So 6 times means multiply. That's correct, movie. So 6 times means 6 multiply y. Okay. So what is the age of grandfather? 6y. That's right. Now grandmother. Dadi is 2 years younger than grandfather. Right now the age of grandfather is how much? 6y. And 2 years younger means 2 साल छोटी. हाँ, that's right. 6y minus 2 will be the answer. Rehan, 4y is not the answer. 6y minus 2. You don't know what is y here. So we can't subtract here. Okay? So 6y minus 2 is the right answer. Right, Tanish, Pridima? So that will be your grandmother age. Now they are saying Sarita's father's age is 5 years more than 3 times Sarita's age. So Sarita age is y. You know this. So 3 times Sarita's age, what will be it? 3 times. 3y. Right. 3 times Sarita's age will be 3y. So, and his father age is 5 years more. 5. हाँ. Sarita's father age is 5 years more than 3 times Sarita's age. So 3 times Sarita's age is 3y and 5 years we have added because more. So we have added 5 more, that means plus 5, right? So 3y plus 5 is the right answer. Right, Rehan, Chehek? That's correct. 3y plus 5 is the right answer. That is his father's age now. Clear? Clear this much? Do it. Do this A part. Children, do this A part. All of you do this A part. First of all, complete your A part, then we'll be doing the B part. In B part, it is given that The length of a rectangular hall is 4 meters less than 3 times the breadth of the hall. What is the length if the breadth is taken as b meters? If we are taking breadth as b meters, so 4 meter less than 3 times the breadth of the hall. 3 times breadth means 3 times breadth. Breadth is b meters we are taking. So 3 times breadth means 3 times breadth of the hall. What does that mean? 3 times the breadth of the hall means, times means you are going to multiply. Yes, 3b, right. 3b is the right answer. Absolutely right. And 4 meter less. 3b may 4 meter you have to deduct. 3b minus 4. So that will be your answer. 3b minus 4 meters. Okay. Length will be 3b minus 4 meters. Length of a rectangular hall. Got it, children? Now let's do the C part. A rectangular box has height h centimeter. I'm having a rectangular box. Okay, this is a rectangular box which I'm having. I'm having the height as h centimeters. The height of this box is h centimeters. Its length is 5 times the height and breadth is 10 centimeter less than the length. Okay, so express the length and breadth of the box in terms of height. So we have to tell the height of it. Height we are taking h. So 5 times height. What does that mean? 5 times height means 5h. Height is given h now. So 5 times height means 5h. And breadth is given 10 centimeter less than the length. Now the length is 5h. We have taken out the length 5h. So 10 centimeter less from 5h will be 5h minus 10. That's right, Charvi. 5h minus 10 will be your breadth. 5h will be your length and breadth will be 5h minus 10 centimeters. Got it? Understood, children? Now, let's start with the next part, D part. Meena, Beena and Reena. These are 3 friends, Meena, Beena and Reena. Okay. They are climbing the steps to the hilltop. They are climbing on the hilltop. Okay. Now, Meena is at step S. Suppose this is Meena, this is at step S. Beena, this is Beena, she is 8 steps ahead. वो 8 step मीना से आगे है. She is ahead 8 steps. And Leena 7 steps behind. और Leena जो है वो 7 steps पीछे है. In the middle, Meena is there. Meena is step S. Beena is 8 steps ahead. ये मीना सबसे आगे चल रही है, Beena. And Leena 7 steps behind. Leena is 7 steps behind it. Okay, she is behind it. So where are Beena and Meena? We have to tell Beena and Meena, where are they? And the total number of steps to the hilltop is 10 less than 4 times what Meena has reached. Express the total number of steps using S. So what does that mean? That when they are traveling, so first of all, Meena is at step S and Beena is 8 steps ahead. That means S plus 8, Beena is S plus 8. 8 kadam aage hai. So we are comparing with S. So the Beena is step at which Meena is plus 8. जहां मीना खड़ी है उससे 8 steps आगे है Beena. Isn't it? It's given in the question ना. So here the Meena is standing. So Meena is step S and stay 8 steps ahead means 8 step आगे यानी S plus 8. हाँ? समझ में आ रहा है? नहीं समझ में आ रहा? ओके बेटा, मीना, बीना और लीना 3 फ्रेंड्स है, ठीक है। मीना बीच में है, शी इज इन द मिडिल। बीना उससे आगे है और लीना शी इज बिहाइंड इट, ठीक है। दीज आर 3 फ्रेंड्स, आई एम शोइंग यू द पिक्चर। दीज आर 3 फ्रेंड्स। Meena is in between. M is in between. B is in front. L is back at the back. Okay. Now Meena's step is S. They are saying that Meena is at step S. It's given in the question. Meena is at step S. So this I am assuming this will be she is at S. Okay. She's at S. Now this is Meena. She's 8 steps ahead. Beena is 8 steps ahead. It's given in the question. So she's ahead with S plus 8. S में 8 add हो जाएगा. This is Beena. Now they are saying that Leena is 7 steps behind. She's back. She's Leena. हाँ, S minus 7. This much you have understood? So where is Beena, Meena and Leena now? Their positions are finalized. S, S plus 8 and S minus 7. Okay. Now the total number of steps to the hilltop is 10 less than 4 times what Meena has reached. 4 times what Meena? Meena is here. So 4 times of Meena, what will be? What it will be? 4S. Meena is at step S, na? So 4 times what Meena has reached. So 4 times will be 4S. Okay. And 10 less than. 10 less than means 4S minus 10. Yeah. It's given that the total number of steps to the hilltop is 10 less than 4 times what Meena has reached. Meena is in between. Meena is S. So 4 times of S will be 4S and 10 less than, that means minus 10. 4S minus 10. This is the total number of steps. Got it? Understood? So Beena is at S plus 8. First of all, write the step at which Beena is S plus 8. Write down step at which Beena is S plus 8. Step at which Leena is S minus 7. Step at which Leena is S minus 7. Total steps 4S minus 10. Total steps 4S minus 10. Clear? All of you open your camera. Let's move to the next question. A bus travels at V kilometer per hour. Per hour means 1 घंटे में V kilometers she has traveled. They have traveled 1 kilometer. In 1 hour they have traveled V kilometer. They are going from Daspur to Bispur. Okay. We are starting from Daspur and we are reaching Bispur. We are starting from here. This is Daspur. Okay. This is Daspur. And we have to reach where? Bispur. We have to reach Bispur. Daspur to Bispur. A bus at V kilometer per hour is going from Daspur to Bispur. There is a bus. Okay. This is a bus. This is traveling. Okay. From 1 kilometer, V kilometers. Okay. So it's traveling V kilometers here in 1 hour. Okay, in 1 hour, the bus is traveling in 1 hour v kilometer. After the bus has traveled 5 hours, 5 hours the bus has already traveled. Okay, so now the Bispur is 20 kilometer still away. बस 5 घंटे चल चुकी है. बस has already traveled 5 hours. Still Bispur is 20 kilometers. अभी Bispur जो है वो 20 किलोमीटर दूर है. Okay, so what will be the distance from Daspur to Bispur? First of all, 1 hour v kilometers, so 5 hours how much kilometers? 1 hour v kilometer, 5 hours 5v. 5 hours means 5v. Okay, 5v. Still 20 kilometer away. अभी अगर हमें 20 किलोमीटर और आगे जाना है, so what we'll be doing? 20 किलोमीटर आगे जाने के लिए हमें plus 20 we have to add. So 5v plus 20 kilometers. So this will be your answer. 5v, that means 5 hours this bus has to travel, and still the Bispur is 20 kilometers away. That means 5v plus 20. Clear? So this will be your answer. Understood, children? Good, children? Speed is v kilometer per hour. Distance traveled in 5 hours is 5v. And total distance from Daspur to Bispur will be 5v plus 20. Clear?